Alright, so this video is to help you get your free copy of Microsoft Visio. If you're not already aware that as a CIS student you get access to Microsoft Imagine, which is a bunch of free Microsoft software, and you'll use this throughout your CIS semesters upcoming. But let me just show you, get you started. So when you click on the Resources tab, you will get here to this resources page, and you might have already been here. This is the information for downloading Python. This is the information for making sure you get your free Office 365 account. Chances you've already done that. So this is the directions on how to get your free what's called an Imagine account. It used to be DreamSpark, so if you've heard that word before, but now it's called Imagine. I don't understand or know why it changed its name, but it did. But at any rate, so what you're going to do, you are automatically, you should be, as long as you are enrolled in this classroom, you should have access to this account. So if you have trouble, make sure you let me know sooner rather than later. But if you just follow these directions, let me make this smaller so maybe we can get two screens on at the same time. And so following the directions will say that I'm going to take the CIS OTC EDU, create a new page, and let's see if I can put these side by side so we can see the directions and the link at the same time. Maybe. Okay, so I'll put that link into, and what you're going to do, the first thing is you'll see this CIS DreamSpark website, and you'll click on that. And then here's where it's important that you follow the directions. Don't click on register here. Make sure you click on the sign in link. So not register, but sign in. And your menu is going to look different than mine because, or your next page is going to look different because I'm already logged in. But what you're going to do is in the sign-in page, now that you're in the sign-in page, you should see, not this because I'm already logged in, but you're going to see register. And it's going to, make sure you click this one, and it'll say register and processing. And then what you're going to put in for the username is going to be your full OTC email address. So make sure you put in your full email address and then hit continue. From there you can just follow the directions that prompt you through the rest of it, and it should be pretty self-explanatory. I can't do it because I already have an account. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You shouldn't have any trouble with that. And then once you get signed in, and the sign-in is the same URL, once you get signed in, this is the first thing that you'll see is, let me make this bigger now, is start shopping. So what I would do is type in Visio 2016, which is what we're going to be using, and start shopping. And then, let's see, here's Visio 2016, so that's what we're looking for. Visio 2016, and then once you get that, you can add it to your cart. I can't add it to my cart because I've already added it to my cart. So from there, if you have your cart, you obviously I have a different item in there. You'll click on download, and you can download the Visio. I also want to bring this to your attention. If you go back up to your hello and your account, and you click on your account orders, this is really going to be important. This is all the things that you have ordered, or I have ordered, or you will be ordering at any rate. So if you scroll down to the item, which in this case is that Visio 2016, and click on View Details, what you're going to see is a number of things. And one is very important. When you download the program, it's going to ask you for your product key. So this is where you can find your product key. This also tells you, or you can download it again from here if you need to. So if I needed another copy, I could do it from here. But it's telling you how to burn it to an ISO or an IMG file. And if you're not sure how to do that or how to work through that, then there's a click here that walks you through what it is and exactly how you do it so that you can install that in your machine. So unfortunately, if you're a Mac user, this is not an option to you. In which case, what is an option to you, there is a site called Lucidchart. I haven't worked with it myself very much, so I can't give you a lot of details or some tutorials on it, but I have had students in the past who have said that they have Macs and that is what they would use. So that is an option, and I think that it works pretty well with Visio as well. So with Visio files, I think you can actually output a Visio file. But we are PC at OTC, and so this is what we would be using, and that's how you can download it. So hopefully that helps. If you have any trouble, let me know.